We are in Mishawaka, Indiana, which is like suburban South Bend. It's just the outskirts of South Bend. We're heading to Doc Pierce's, and we're going to meet Dave and Stephanie. And let's go introduce you to them and show you Doc Pierce's. Here we go now. This is a, what is it, just a thrift store? Or what is it?
It's art. It's all art.
An artsy store.
Local artisans.
Yes, we carry art local and beyond.
I would go shopping.
Mishawaka City Hall up there in the corner right here.
Nice religious store next to us.
Main stage. Doc Pierce's. Who's that way over there in the corner? I will.
Hi, Tom. Hi, Cheryl.
Which one's Dave? Which one's Stephanie?
Hi, guys.
All right. Yeah.
on
Oh,
or
yeah.
off?
We're on. What's going on back here?
Welcome to our little small town.
Oh my God.
Yes,
this is
yes.
awesome.
We'll and we'll record more when we look at the menu.
There's a ceiling.
Now we met these two, or I met them at the Bamboo about 7 years ago. Cheryl met them soon after that when we came up for the first RV tour. There she is. There they are.
Everybody.
I met them at the Bamboo, and that was when I sang "Make You Feel My Love" by Garth Brooks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gave them a little ballad, little love ballad.
The last time I heard you do American Pie also.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, is that the last time? Uh-oh.
American Pie's not on my usual set list, but I do it occasionally.
He does do it.
Let's take a look at the menu.
Like for us. So at our house, we have my car, his safety jar, his van, and we have a friend car in the backyard.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, we're not even there.
Thank you.
We're waiting on one more.
Yeah,
Oh.
actually, my sister's joining us, guys.
Okay.
Oh, they just spring that on us.
I like it.
She's gonna be at the Uniqueness tonight. She's
Is
never
she?
heard you play.
Oh, that's awesome. And what is her name?
Mary Jo.
Mary Jo. I think you mentioned it, but I'm sorry?
Yeah, she's a
We're scooping the whole Mishawaka area around. Get it packed and
I think our next door neighbors at the campfire will come. Wow.
That is the Cobb salad. That is the ambrosia chicken.
That looks fantastic.
This was invented by Bob Cobb. Wow, what is this?
That looks awesome.
Wow, that's a loaded salad without mushrooms or tomatoes, so it's a semi.
They're on the side because look what's going to happen.
Another loaded salad with grilled chicken for Dave. We got bread, and I forgot to get a video of the, what did we have? The curds.
Those are
And
awesome.
another loaded salad.
Good.
Wow.
Wow, this looks great.
Thank you. Cucumber lemonade. Okay. Chardonnay.
Cucumber lemonade. Sounds fancy.
Moscato.
Moscato, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
And another Moscato.
You're going to have to
That
carry me
girl's here to
home.
party.
Ooh, boy.
This is Jay's Lounge. We are in Niles, Michigan. We're meeting some friends of ours. We usually meet David and Stephanie here, and sometimes Susie. Are you guys over here? happened. There they are. They're trying to run away from me. Now, Jay's Lounge is one of our first places we ate down here. And we've discovered that it's a very casual place, but excellent food. Sometimes it's a little slow because it gets very crowded. It's on Route 51 coming down through Niles.
We'll hold the door. Hello.
The road has 3 names.
This is the inside bar area. You want to sit inside?
I don't care, you sit wherever you want.
All right, we're at Jay's. We got the lovely Mrs. right here, darling. We got Gloria next to her. Gloria, you live in Mishawaka? Yeah. You live down there? And Susie lives in Niles. Susie here and Gloria have met us at the Bamboo. When was that?
We met in 2015.
Yes, we met in 2015 at the Bamboo. And when we put the tour together, how did we meet up here?
We just posted it. That you were going to the, I think it was the American Legion.
Okay.
Was the first.
And then you saw that, and that's how we end up meeting up here. So, yeah, Susie and Gloria, they vacation down at Bamboo, or down at Madeira Beach.
Yeah.
And they go to the Bamboo, and that's where they met the lovely and me. And we're going to show you the Jay's menu right now. This is Jay's Lounge in Niles. Jay's Lounge in Niles, Michigan. We're just a couple miles north of the Indiana line. All right, here's the menu. I'll scroll through it slowly. I think tonight is what, taco night or whatever? And poof, there's the lovely Mrs. And let's show you the other side here. They got Brazo's Gumbo, Smokehouse Chili, the Jay's Philly. So that's your sandwiches. There's your signature sandwiches. You got the Nashville Hot Chicken there. The South 11th Street Pastrami. This is also 11th Street, right? Yeah. And it's Route 51. Goes down into South Bend. They actually have excellent pizza here. And I'll get a cauliflower crust pie. Here's the Fat J that has the meats on it. And the white pizza, I usually get one or the other. And the cauliflower here is only $1.70 more for a 10-inch cauliflower crust, and it is great. You get the Fat J, and it's a big meal. It's a real good meal. There's your seafood, fish and chips, and shrimp basket. And we'll be back with the food.
I'll move that over.
Oh, they don't have plates with that little basket.
That is the pretzel bites. The girls are going to have the pretzel bites, not me.
Here you go, my dear.
I'm sorry I ordered something.
That's
That
okay.
does move.
They got TVs here. They got gambling. They got the bar, and out there they have a patio, indoor patio, and then an outdoor patio past that. A pull tab machine. I won $100 on that last year.
Try your luck again, you never know.
All right.
You buy us all dinner.
Cauliflower crust
Ooh,
pizza.
cauliflower crust.
Perfect. Thank
This
you.
is the supreme.
Awesome.
Wow.
Your pizzas are so good again.
And then it's Susie's Supreme. Wow.
I never share. That looks good.
Dog.
That looks really good.
Texas burger.
Wow, the Texas burger.
Guys.
Thank you.
Can I get some, do you have the crushed? Yeah, thank you.
That
What's
dog.
that, the Chicago dog?
No, just the cheese dog, chili
Cheese
dog.
with-
That looks really good.
Looks like Irish green. Thank you.
Aw, awesome.
Thank you.
Wow.
You know, I might need
No pineapple.
Hope not.
All right, we just got done dinner at Jay's Lounge. Now that road behind me, that's 51. That goes right down into Notre Dame, about 3 or 4 miles down the road. Jay's Lounge. Don't forget, good cauliflower pie. Outdoor patio there in the distance. We're out to eat again.
We have to eat every day, though.
All right. We discovered this place last year. We're in Belvedere, Illinois. And I was looking for something, you know, without bread and pasta and whatever. And I found this place online and it said, we have this cream of chicken rice soup. And I'm like, you know, they have big sizes of it. I'm like, that sounds pretty good. Let's try it out. She had a cheesesteak and it was real good. Another bonus they have here, Sobe Life Water, sugar-free. It's like a pomegranate. It's real good. And so we put our order in. The name of the place is Tom and Jerry's in Belvedere, Illinois, the town of murals. We'll do a mural song yet. Oh, here comes our order right now. Yes.
All right, there you guys go.
Thank you, buddy. And there's our order. That's my chicken rice soup. And the lovely got her cheesesteak here. Wow. Trying to get it on camera. There it is. Dig in, darling.
I'm going there.
So there you have it. I have my, everybody knows I carry these millet and flax chips. Instead of using regular flour, they're made with millet flour and flax.
Can I open up some of these?
Yeah, open up my chicken rice. Yes. That is the chicken rice. I got the king size, which is 2 of them. You'd think I'd eat one and take one home, but sometimes not. The funny thing is, the first time I got this last year, we came here twice. The first time I got it, there was no rice in it. Yeah, it was just but I just thought it was whipped. You know, like so whipped that the rice just became part of the cream broth or the cream soup. And, but then we got it again like 2 days later and it had a bunch of rice in it, so I think they just forgot to put the rice in the mixture. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here and watch her eat and we'll be back. So this is Tom and Jerry's. There's the kitchen. There's the lovely getting me some more Sobe Life Water. The front entrance is there. I'll get it up at the counter.
Got you covered.
Huh? Got me covered?
Got you covered.
Hey, see you guys. Unbelievable RV Tour YouTube channel.
We'll be back where we're staying. Got it?
Thank you. And we'll show you their patio out here. This is State Street in what town? Belvedere, that's right. A little hot to sit outside, but they got 1, 2, 3 tables there. They got one over here. Tom and Jerry's. And another peek at, this is the car we tow behind the motorhome. 2014 Honda CR-V, all-wheel drives, EXL version, top of the line. Cheryl's bike in the back here, and I usually carry my electric bike in a tote, a foldable electric bike in the back. And that's how we roll.